Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club cryptocurrency forecast for the 6th of September 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. The cryptocurrency forecast will be covering the following: fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, technical analysis with our daily trade idea, and economic calendar with the key events to watch. Fundamental outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. Last week, Bitcoin prices surged and broke out to all-time highs, hitting $5,000, up more than 70% over the month of August and trading at 4 times the value of gold. Now, the latest news to hit the cryptocurrency market has been the ban that China has implemented on the practice of raising funds through launches of token-based digital currencies. The move has been targeted at so-called initial coin offerings in a market that has exploded since the start of the year. After the ban was implemented by China on Monday, we have certainly seen some pullbacks here on the cryptocurrencies and also profit taking, given that Bitcoin was trading at $5,000 last week. So we have seen a correction on Bitcoin, which has pulled back over 8%, and also Bitcoin's rival Ethereum has pulled back 20%, back below $300. Now, regulators at this point need to clarify and work out how to classify different types of initial coin offerings. Initial coin offerings are a new business model leveraging blockchain technology, and it will likely remain. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll talk you through our trade idea. The first chart we'll have a look at today is going to be Bitcoin, which is currently trading at $4,256 per ounce. This is after correcting from the all-time highs, hitting just above $5,000. So we have seen a 20% correction with Bitcoin pulling back below $4,000, but now getting supported back above that critical psychological level of support again. I would suggest the 3,800 to 4,000 level is a very key level for Bitcoin to hold at the moment on a closing basis. You can in fact see where we have a rejection candle on the daily chart, and so far we are creating a higher swing low on the chart here. So if we do hold above 4,000 on a closing basis, we still have the potential to see essentially Bitcoin find support here and then build a base and start accelerating yet again back towards the all-time highs, and this time breaching back above 5,000 here and then on track to reach all-time highs yet again. So right now I would be looking at this as a potential buying opportunity whilst the price is above $4,000 for Bitcoin. So the trade idea here would be to take advantage of this corrective pullback back below $4,000 here, take advantage of this pullback as a buying opportunity, re-entering into positions, looking for a retest again back towards the all-time highs here of $5,000. I would also suggest you have a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin had a very impressive run over the month of August. Essentially, it managed to double in price from $45 up to $90. A lot of that move happened towards the last week of August, where we saw a capitulation and a break above $65, which then resulted in $90 being tested within 48 hours. Now, we've had a considerable sell-off since we've broken out to $94, and in fact we've come all the way back down and retested here $60, which is now providing a level of support. So I would look at this as a previous level of resistance, now providing support here for Litecoin and essentially looking for higher prices here. So we'll be looking to see whether we continue to get a bounce at these levels and consolidate just above the 60 level, which is now a very key level of previous resistance turn support, and I would be looking for the price to drive higher here in the coming days, particularly if we can get a break above Tuesday's highs here. That would very likely lead to more momentum to the upside and potentially on track to retest the all-time highs as well. So Litecoin I certainly would put on your radar as well for a potential trading opportunity. Now, alongside Litecoin and Bitcoin, I also like the price structure here of Ethereum Classic. Last week, Ethereum Classic broke out above its consolidation at $16 and managed to surge and accelerate up to $23.50 here, over a 30% move in 3 days. Subsequently, off the back of China's coin fundraising ban, we have seen a corrective pullback over the last few days, which is now providing the potential for a good buying opportunity around the $15 to $16 level here for Ethereum Classic. It's getting well supported, and we would be looking for higher prices here in the days to come, particularly if Ethereum Classic can break back above Tuesday's high. This is where we will be looking for more momentum to the upside. As always, if you would like to receive daily trade ideas from the Gold and Silver Club with our exact entry, our exit, our take profit target on every single position that we are taking, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session, and we will provide you with details of how you become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Economic calendar, the key events to watch. As well as the scheduled news items that we have this week, we will also be watching very closely the situation with North Korea at the moment, as geopolitical tension has continued to intensify after North Korea tested a hydrogen bomb on Sunday, which again caused an inflow into safe havens. We saw a breakout on the open on both gold and silver. And now, as we continue this week, other major news items that you need to have on your radar include Thursday's European Central Bank press conference with Mario Draghi speaking, which can again have big impact certainly on the euro, of course, and also on the US dollar too. We'll be watching out for the interest rate decision, and also Wednesday's crude oil inventories. Over the course of this week, we have seen oil break out to 3-month highs, and we'll be watching that data for the next big move here on oil. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Then the private members live trading room is definitely for you. For more information on the private members live trading room, please visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com.